Today we're actually finally putting the center console on the giveaway truck. We already did the carpet. I know that video already dropped, it should have dropped already. Big shout out to this Igual for bringing us the center console, finding it for us. He always comes through. When I tell him, hey, I need this and I can't find it, boom, he'll find it for me. Make sure you guys hit him up on his Instagram if you guys need any parts that you can't find for Seratos. These are the pieces that we got. This goes underneath on the dash where the steering wheel is at. This will go on the passenger side with the glove box. And this right here is the center console piece. And this will drag over through the center. And I believe we're also gonna get this wrapped. We're gonna get this wrapped right here and then stitch the logo on it. Like I said, make sure you follow my boy, this Igual. So first we gotta pull off the seats, which is gonna be a 15 and an 11. So all these cables right here are for the amps. This is for the voice amp, that's for the bass amp, and these go underneath the chairs anyway, so you won't see them. But we do have to pull off this seat right here because the new center console will dig into those brackets that it has to kind of hold it in place. And this seat is just a placeholder that I have just until we get our seats back, so I don't have to be sitting on the floor or whatever. This is an extra seat that we had. But we're gonna pull this off, and as soon as we pull it off, we're gonna install the center piece. But I think we're also gonna have to remove the whole dash pieces too. I don't know if it's gonna be hard, but I think we'll get through it, no problem. Got the dash piece down both sides, so it's pretty easy. Just the 7mm bolts, just kind of look for them and take them off, and the rest is just clips. Some of the original clips stayed in here, I'm guessing because the old dash was all old and, well, it's the original one. Nobody's ever taken them off, so probably because it's brittle and stuff. But we're about to install the new one and see what it looks like. Let me know what you guys think of the new center console. It's got the new glove box and everything because the old glove box was kind of faded. We're also going to take care of the steering wheel because it is kind of brittle and old, so we're going to take this off and we're going to do something special, but I don't know what yet. But we're going to do something special. We're not going to leave it like that. It's going to come out and get redone. So let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of the center console idea and if it looks good. It's been a lot of money invested into this giveaway truck, so a little bit of support of you guys would go a long way. You guys let me know what you guys think of the truck, how it's coming out. We still got to throw the seats in there, but it's one step forward, one step closer to pretty much getting it complete. And once it comes out, hopefully it comes out real good. Alright guys, so this is going to be a pretty close example of what the interior will look like once the seats are back from being upholstered. Obviously with the black leather and suede. But you guys get the idea. It's starting to look so much better, more complete. Every single time we do something new, it tends to look a lot better. We still need to go and get the door panels. I just haven't had time to go to hunt for them, and I know this Igual doesn't have any of these the same color, so we need some door panels. If any of you guys in Houston have some extra ones that you aren't using and they're pretty good condition, let me know. So I don't know if I ever showed you guys, but this truck does have a sunroof, just in case you guys are wondering. It has a sunroof on there already. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Just a short video installing the seats, installing the center console, taking off all those plastics. Just wanted to show you guys an update process on what's going on with the interior. We did do the carpet like I did on last video. It looks real good. You know, right now I need to vacuum it again just because I got all that crumb and old dust from the back of the consoles and the back of the plastics. But we're gonna do that right now. We're gonna cut this video already down short. Don't forget to cop the merch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, so you don't miss out on another great video when we drop it. Make sure you guys follow on Instagram and Facebook. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.